Me blood clot, okay. Alright. Let me name out them blood clot fast rat, you know. Karen, right here, so. It's Karen, yeah? Blood clot Gary. Blood clot Gary. Thinking little Jimmy. Tanya ya Jimmy. Jimmy little sister now. Kerry. It's Kerry, yeah? Kerry. Who this? Who this? Billy. Billy Goat. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are reacting to Bandokay slide. Bandokay, big up yourself. Or OFB. Him from the OFB, right? I'm sure he's from the OFB. Alright, so yeah, anyway, we are reacting to Bandokay. We're gonna just jump here tonight. We are reacting, we're not breaking down, so we're gonna pause less, hopefully. Let's go.
Yeah, making it right, one shot, two shot.
Bomba clot. Look at me, I figure I'm reacting. Me can't. Look at me, I figure break this down. Me can't react.
DT5 on the beat.
Bandokay, wait a minute. Bandokay, excuse me a minute. Take a step back.
DT5 on the beat.
Bando, big up yourself in the Burberry, but me don't want to see you right now. But sorry, let's go. Let's focus on this side. Come on.
Put him in the air like he's taking a flight. He ain't making it right, one shot, two shot, had him saving his life.
Oh my god, the violence, but it sounds good. It sounds good on record. Had him in the air like he's taking a flight, one shot or two shot, but.
I'm a Rambo when I was raving at night. Caught Duke slipping, you weren't skating on that. Got caught off guard, to the straight in his ass, straight his head. But yeah, boy, come back here when they was head first, weren't claiming them guys.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Girl, I'll chop your back, let me slide inside. That thing soaking when I slide inside. Got a leg shaking, it's a water slide.
I like this already. My blood clot love this. Bandokay, me love this, brother. Girl, arch up your back, me slide inside. Me always said this. Me not like when you ladies, big up on yourself. Big up ladies, them can please a man inside the bedroom and outside the bedroom. Me not like the ladies them where about to get them doggy side and then backstage. So no, arch that blood clot. Arch it blood clot. When you arch it, everything there on the back. Stabbing cabin. Arch your back, ladies. Stick your chest out, arch your back. It's more pleasurable. If we stab it out. So Bandokay, I say what I've been saying for so long. Bandokay, big up your blood clot self, my G.
Arch up your back, let me slide inside. That thing soaking when I slide inside. Got a leg shaking, it's a water slide. Everyone knows but water slide.
Him say my leg shaking. When I slide inside, it's a water slide. You know water slide wet? Already, you know, say the thing I run like River Nile. Girl, I get spoiled.
Loves bad man to your daughter hide. Everyone
say bad man to your
shaking, it's a water slide. Everyone knows but water slide. So she loves bad man to your daughter hide.
Bad man she want in her hole. Gunman she want in her hole. That's it. Yeah, bad man in her hole. She like that. Like that.
Everyone knows but water slide. So she loves bad man to your daughter hide. And I'm running man down, got him looking right back. I'm running man down, why's he looking like that?
So he might mix the girl thing with the badness same way. So he might tell you how he might run down the man them and I deal with them. You see me? The video clean. You look at the video shot couple weeks ago in England right now. Not the sun hot. So you see me? Yeah, they get them out.
Try to get so far, so we took him right back. I never knew Broski was gonna trick him like that. I never knew Broski was gonna cook him like that. 3, 2, 3, 8, so we shook him like that.
I'm distracted from what am I saying now, but me hear something about him never know Broski would have do him like that. He never know Broski would have took him like that. But I'm focused. I'm fully focused, man. Got my money. Got my eyes on the money. Not the money, but the girl them. Eyes on the girl, man. I'm turning this way now.
Two eyes open, keep looking at clap like my bro. Man, he love jugging and trap. Shorty been over, one gooders. He's in the air for screaming out wood.
The girl them in the video them. I love to see the girl them in the video them, brother. Me don't know. I'm not a pervert, but I'm close to it. I'm close to being a pervert right now.
I stepped out, up block, purging, gang lurking, trying to jump some jokers. Ride all night like the full street hookers. Wet, bang, leave it hot like cookers.
There's a fucking party going on in the backyard. You have the next door neighbor, you saw. You have them, you saw. I do them thing. There's a party going on. You have the pool, you saw. Yo, it's really nice. This a one barbecue pan, one jerk pan, barbecue style.
Broski ain't into the talking, he loves boring, he should've worked in the butcher. Put him in the air like he's taking a flight.
Oh my god. So as you can see, the whole OFB, I think a Desi name. Desi, big up Desi.
Boy, he ain't making it right, one shot, two shot, had him saving his life. Always had my Rambo when I was raving at night.
I always had my Rambo knife when I was raving at night. He might tell you when they, yo.
Slipping, you weren't skating on nice, got caught off guard, straight in his eyes, straight his head, but yeah, boy, come back here when.
That was the reason why I mentioned the neighbor earlier on, you know. You know what? When I say you have one neighbor this and one neighbor this, because you gotta have some neighbor look through the window or something. So said, so done. This bitch is looking over. Karen, go on back inside. Karen, go and cook Gary dinner. Karen, go inside and cook Barry dinner. Barry soon come home from work. Barry's gonna be tired. Barry's a builder. Barry's gonna be tired. Barry's a bricklayer. Barry's gonna be tired. Go back inside, go cook Barry roast or something, spaghetti or something. Blood clot you do outside, I'll look over.
They was head first, weren't claiming them guys. Aye, girl, I'll chop your back, let me slide inside.
This video must have been so fun to make, dog. The girl in the video, brother. Look at my boy over here, so my boy is a chill out right there, so right now. God, yo.
When I slide inside, got legs shaking, it's a water slide. Everyone knows good water slide, so she loves bad man to go to her hide.
What is a blood class spike at ya?
Legs shaking, it's
hold on, man. Yeah, man.
It's a water slide. Everyone knows good water slide, so she loves bad man to go to her.
What is a blood class spike at ya? Look at the CCTV. Eh? Well, you can't mind your own business unless you go join. Go put on Gary Binacles. What the blood clot? Yeah, go put on Gary Binacles. Remember say Gary doing bird watching, you know. Remember say Gary doing chain spotting, you know. Eh? She got Karen now gonna take up Gary Binacles. Fi do what with? Fi look over neighbor yard. You're too blood clot fast, man. Mind your own business, Karen, man.
Everyone knows good water slide, so she loves bad man to go.
Watch out! Bomb clock Gary come from work. See Gary there. Gary reach home from work. Gary not hungry. Gary not want dinner. Maybe not clock.
My friends in Joe, keep your head up high. He got shot now, his head's up high. She got chat now, chest up high. When
sorry, I'm distracted from the lyrics because I pre them blood tag Gary and Karen, you know. See Gary up on the screen now. Gary, you alright? You alright, geezer? Geezer.
I hit it from that side, put her legs up high. You know 16, 2 peds up knives. And no 16, bro, chefed it twice.
Bumbo clot. Look at little Jimmy. Jimmy's out. Jimmy's out of people of fence. You see it? Karen and Gary so fucking fast. Jimmy pick up and walk one, and Jimmy go grow one to be one nice little rascal fast CCTV. Eh? If you look on Google Earth, on the address, you can see Karen, Jimmy, and Gary in the window look out. Maybe what clat on the fast.
Budo fun some reckless guys and use dookies on reckless spice.
Jimmy, come join the party. Jimmy have to join the party. Jimmy, Bandokay. I'm sorry, I'm not breaking down your lyrics, bro. May I break down your video, brother? Your fucking video, me G. Got the video bad. This song bad too, no, but the video bad too.
Air like he's taking a holiday. Sorry, me, I just made 100 quid. I'm getting fan love from 100 kids, so.
Just made 100 quid and I'm getting fan love from 100 kids. How this? I'm not carrying this. Oh, I'm thinking I'm carrying this, you know.
Then boy, then what 100 is. I'm loyal to farm, I'm a humble kid. Bring it out, show you this jungle stick.
I'm loyal to farm. OFB farm block. I'm loyal to farm, I'm a humble kid. Get back to some of my lyrics them, come and miss them. I'm loyal to farm, so you don't know. One family him say. Unit.
Don't stumble pit when Freddy Krueger gets the dumping creek. There's 4-4 Magnum or 6 rounds drink Magnum.
4-4 Magnum or 6, so you know it's a spinners that. 4-4 Maggie was 6 rounds. So say no, say yo, no shell not leave when him clap that, you know. No shells. No evidence.
Now I'm giving her 6 rounds. Grab her funnel and tell her to switch on. Make her basket like the clips when it sticks out.
Yo, the video fucking bad, dog.
Bro, put him in the air like he's taking a flight. He ain't making it right. 1 shot, 2 shot, and I'm saving his life. Always time I ramble when I was...
Me blood clot, look ya. Alright. Let me name out them blood clot fast rat, you know. Karen, right here, so. It's Karen, yeah? Blood clot Gary. Blood clot Gary. Thinking little Jimmy. Tanya Jimmy. Jimmy little sister now. Kerry. It's Kerry, yeah? Kerry. Who this? Who this? Billy. Billy Goat. Billy Goat this. Billy Blood Clot Goat. Holly Goat. Watch you go to bandana. How not so fast, man?
I was raving at night. Caught Duke slipping, you weren't skating on that. Got caught off guard, straight in his ass, got his head back.
Does he go a while ago? Me fuck up, you know. Me see the most weirdest things in the video.
When I was raving at night, caught Duke slipping, you weren't skating on that. Got caught off guard, straight in his ass.
Look. But okay, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. Me see the most fucked up thing in our videos in the dog. Me analyze things different from people that are serious. Me fuck up, brother. Me fuck up. Whoa. Why am I like this? Yo, me start the fuck, Crystal.
His head back, yeah, boy, come back here. When they was here first, we're claiming them guys. Aye, girl, I'll chop your back, let me slide inside.
Look at them, I enjoy the party though. Them, I enjoy the party. I'll Billy enjoy the party. Kerry. You have homework for do. Go on and go do the homework, yeah? Watch out! How go to look?
Garlic shaking, it's a water slide. Everyone knows good water slide. So she loves bad man to your daughter high.
The man have the goat now. So that means say Gary them over the yard in a party with them then, alright?
Everyone knows good water slide. So she loves bad man to your daughter hide. Aye, girl, I'll chop your back, let me slide inside.
Boom, some girl in the video, see dog. Every girl look at it in the video. Every single girl look at it in the video, bro.
Soaking when I slide inside, garlic shaking, it's a water slide.
When the man you gonna invite me to one of them video shoot, dog? When them I gonna say, yo, link me up on Instagram, Jamaica_race_game, and say, yo, video shoot. Somebody subscribes. Thanks to the person who subscribed to my channel. Let me turn off the alerts them too. Right now, you don't know when I was have. You see me? Alright.
Oh, it's ruthless, man. How'd you fucking do this, man? You know summertime's coming, bro. It's about to get technical, eh?
Summertime, I forward, it's about to get technical, which is right. We know that.
Free the guys. FTO.
Yo, the video body of fuck. The video clean like Jesus Police record, brother. The video clean.
Get right or get left.
OFB, yo, no way. Get right or get left, dog. Yo, me enjoy that video, dog. Sorry me pause so much. Sorry me miss the lyrics them. But Karen, Gary, Jimmy, Kerry, and Blood Clot Billy Goat. One of mind, no one business sometimes still, you know. Even me like the fact that them never call no police still. Because them coulda, but me like the fact that them never call no police. Don't worry about me dirty shirt. This is my gym. But just come out of the gym, I'm just coming. As you can see me already. You understand? But yeah, Jesus Christ. Oh, if Bandokay, big up yourself, slide, big up yourself, Blood Clot self. Yo, the video nice. The girl them nice video. Hot, brother. Someone girl them hotter than someone in Egypt, brother. No joke. Yo, this is how I'm gonna end the video, dog. I'm gonna watch the video again by myself. Later, guys. Later. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Peace out. Yo.